why did I start making these living food, these functional, purposeful ingredients, putting together, making these superfood snacks available to families? The main reason was because for our own purpose, for my family's purpose, my own gut issues, I wasn't able to find anything out there in the market that could feed us at the cellular level and also is delicious, it tastes good, and it doesn't bother my GI issues, and it accommodates my family's restriction diet. And when I started making these at home, family and friends would visit and they would love it, and they would ask me to make it for them, and that's how my company started.